Good morning. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on a cushion. Sit up tall, imagining a string pulling the crown of your head toward the sky, lengthening your spine. Roll your shoulders up to your ears and then roll them back and down, opening your chest. Place your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. When you are ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze to a spot on the floor in front of you. Let's welcome this brand new day. Let's begin by waking up the body with our breath. We are going to take deep, energizing breaths to flood your system with oxygen. Take a deep inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the very top for a moment and exhale powerfully through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply through the nose, expanding your belly and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, feel the energy building. Exhale fully, letting go of any sleepiness or stagnation. Keep going on your own rhythm now. Deep inhale, full exhale. With every inhale, imagine you are breathing in bright, golden sunlight. Feel it traveling down your throat, into your lungs, and spreading into your arms and legs. With every exhale, imagine you are releasing the night. Let go of any stiffness. Let go of yesterday. You are here, right now. Inhale vitality. Exhale fatigue. Take 2 more of your deepest breaths yet. Fill up the lungs completely and let it all go. Now allow your breath to return to its natural, easy rhythm. Notice how much more awake your body feels. Now that your body is awake, let's wake up your mind. We are going to plant seeds of confidence and focus for the day ahead. I invite you to visualize yourself going through your day. See yourself moving with purpose. See yourself standing tall. I will say a series of affirmations. I invite you to repeat them silently in your mind or out loud, truly feeling the weight and truth of the words. Let's begin with confidence. I am capable of handling whatever this day brings. I trust my intuition and my abilities. I am worthy of success and happiness. Challenges are simply opportunities for me to grow. I step into this day with courage and strength. Feel that strength settling into your core. You are solid. You are prepared. Now let's shift our attention to focus. Visualize a laser beam of light clearing away any fog in your mind. Repeat after me. My mind is clear, sharp, and alert. I give my full attention to the task at hand. I am the master of my time and my energy. I prioritize what truly matters. I create results with ease and flow. Take a moment to simply sit in this feeling, the feeling of being grounded in your power and clear in your direction. You are not rushing, you are flowing. To close our practice, let's soften the heart with gratitude. Confidence gives us power, but gratitude gives us perspective. Bring your attention to the center of your chest. Think of one simple thing you are grateful for this morning. It could be the comfort of your bed, the coffee waiting for you, or simply the air in your lungs. Say thank you for that simple joy. Now, think of one person who brings light to your life, a friend, a partner, a family member, or a mentor. Visualize their face. Send them a silent thank you. Finally, offer gratitude to yourself. Thank yourself for taking these 10 minutes to prioritize your well-being. Thank your body for supporting you. Feel a warm glow spreading from your heart, wrapping around you like a protective blanket as you step into your day. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up with gratitude and power. Open your mouth and sigh it out. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe roll your head gently from side to side. Stretch your arms up overhead if that feels good, reaching toward the sky. When you are ready, gently blink your eyes open. Notice how the room looks a little brighter. Carry this focus and this calm with you. You are ready. Have a wonderful day.